This young lady be working, y'all.
Yeah, lady.
This is we.
Here it is.
Yo, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Thought this was a game, didn't you? Y'all thought this was a game. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in Jersey City, New Jersey, man. I'm out in front of a spot. This is a brand new spot, man. It's called Lady G's Empanadas, man. And I heard that today is Taco Tuesdays. I'm gonna go in here and check it out.
Welcome to Lady G's. I am Lady G, and you are at 269 Ocean Avenue, Lady G's Bar and Grill, Restaurant Bar and Grill.
Okay, tell us about your restaurant, bar, and grill.
Okay, well, the restaurant is a new addition to our empanada chain. Well, not a chain yet. Remember, we started empanadas from my house. We moved into a tent. Then we got a food truck. We got a commercial kitchen, and now we have our own first restaurant.
Wow, your first restaurant. How long you been open?
We've been open since New Year's Eve.
Tell me some of the struggles of being a black female entrepreneur.
Money, access to funding. We spent a lot of money. You saw the restaurant to make it beautiful, and then you need money to run it.
Okay, and what's the bonus of owning your own business?
I'm my own boss.
She laughed a long time on that one.
You know what's really nice about it? We could help the community. There's not many black-owned restaurants in the community. We have to go out of town to get what we eat. So it's kind of nice just being in the neighborhood.
Tell us about your menu.
Oh, well, my menu changes every day. Today is Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday?
Yes, so we do tacos on Tuesday, quesadillas and salad bowls and all of that stuff. Wednesdays, we do a seafood menu. Thursday, we do soul food menu. Friday is fish fry Friday. Saturday is ladies' night. And Sunday, we do brunch.
Oh, nice. What time is Sunday brunch?
Sunday brunch starts at noon.
Do you get a lot of church folks up in here?
Yes, they do.
All right, I won't be up in here that day. Let me stop. Let me stop. My grandmother be mad at me right now.
Yes, she will, okay?
Tell me what's going on here.
We are prepping for Taco Tuesday. We're about to make pico de gallo. We have a mango salsa, a mango pineapple salsa.
Over here.
I'm shredding
got the
lettuce.
hands working. I don't think I got you at all.
You like that? And they was floating away.
You good.
You sure?
You been piecing it together?
I have.
Oh, y'all, we getting this taco. We here on Taco Tuesdays, y'all. And she put me together a shrimp taco. And she got that special spices on the taco shell itself.
Yes. And here it is.
Yo, look at this, y'all. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
A taco, shrimp taco.
Yeah, what's the ingredients?
We got fried shrimp on this one. We got salsa. We got a pineapple salsa, lettuce and cheese.
Nice.
So you gotta come try it.
Okay. Y'all know we've checked their truck out several times. If you missed that episode, just look up Matt DV space Lady G Empanadas. Right now it's Taco Tuesdays here, man. It's Tuesday evening, and she made this taco. Y'all saw her back here making it, man. She made this special taco. It's a shrimp taco. You know I love shrimp. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I see a paper towel here. I'm gonna take one. Hold up, here we go. Hold up, wait a minute. Look at this right here, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game, didn't you? Y'all thought this was a game. We hit the brick and mortar. First off, I love the way that taco is crispy. You know, the shell is crispy. And I love shrimp. The shrimp is delicious, but those that onion on there, and what is that, pineapple, mango, all of those delicious sour and sweet flavors mixed up, man. It's awesome. And they got cheese on here. I gotta get another bite. Y'all give me a second. See like those spices, man, and those herbs? I'm gonna eat that off the paper. That is really good. Look at this, man. See, it's, I'm dropping. Y'all know I had to drop something. Let's check it out. That's really good. You had the tacos before, bro?
No, this is actually the first time. Recommended it,
These tacos are the truth, y'all. And it's very filling.
Okay. How is it?
It's delicious.
Did you need any more sauces with it? No? Perfect?
Y'all know I love sauce. I didn't even think of no sauces.
Oh, wow.
You know.
That's a good taco then.
You know? I mean, I like hot, spicy sauces. I like all them different sauces, but I didn't even think of any sauce. Because it's that mix of, I keep saying mango and fruits. Pineapple, and they got the, what else? Onion. That is delicious.
Cilantro.
The cilantro, y'all, this is the bomb.
And here's our taco menu.
We're gonna show y'all this menu here in a second.
Yeah.
She got the grilled chicken, taco salad, quesadillas, chips and guacamole, fish tacos.
Yeah.
These are good prices too. Fish tacos, $8. You got the taco salad, $10 for those that always be like, where's your salad at, man? Why you never eating salad? There's salad on here, so I'm eating my salad. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat now. I love y'all. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. These are special drinks you making?
Yeah.
All right, so you got some special drinks going on here, y'all. When I drank, right, they didn't have little stuff like this. This is like art drinking. So what is that?
It's a martini. It's all flavors of love, you know?
All flavors of love martinis.
Hold on, you gotta get the photo when I'm done with all of them. Come back.
Oh, she said come back. I can't get the making of?
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
You don't want your secret to be stolen.
Yeah, they out here to get me.
That's right. Listen. How long you been bartending?
How long I've been doing bartending? For years, a long time.
Is these your managers over here?
No, that's my sister and my friend.
Okay.
My manager is in here.
All right, y'all. She gonna finish that up. She got the sparkles and the sprinkles. That look like the type of stuff I used to put on my ice cream cone. All right, let us know when you're ready. We don't drink, but
All right.
we'll watch them drink. Y'all gonna drink it? So who's your sister? Y'all look like sisters. Y'all, this is Willa Creations right here.
Passion of love.
She called it Passion of Love.
Only at Lady G.
We still here at Lady G Empanada. Jersey City, brick and mortar John. Not the truck. This the brick and mortar John. That was for you cats from Philly. They be like, them Johns, everything is a John.